How to update a Dropbox file without changing the link. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, it will automatically show you all the folders that you have on your account. So in here, as an example, I'm gonna open this secretary report. So to update this file without changing the link, the first thing that we need to do is to create a link. To do that, go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the share option. In here, tap on the settings option, and then after that, tap on this option, link for viewing. So in here, as you can see, I have already created a link. If you haven't created a link, you're supposed to see an option here to create a link. All you need to do is to tap on that option. Once you have the link, simply tap on this copy link option and then open another browser. In here, we'll have to paste the link, and then after that, it will automatically show us the file of that link. So in here, as you can see, this file is about updating a Dropbox file without changing the link. So what I need to do now is to go back, exit this one, and then we'll have to upload the file that we want to update. To do that, tap on this upload or drop option, and then it will automatically open our file here. So in here, you have to make sure that the file that you are going to upload has the same file name with the one that you have on your Dropbox account. So since the file name that I have here is weekly report, I'm going to upload a file with the same name. So I'm just gonna select on this one and then tap on the open option. And as you can see here, the file is now uploading. After that, it will automatically update my file here without changing the link. So as you can see here, the file is now automatically updated. If I open this one, it will automatically show me a new file. And as you can see here, this file is about on how to sync Dropbox. So that's how easy we can update a Dropbox file without changing the link. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.